Thank you. So you told us why it is important to know and to be trained in single session therapy. And I ask you why it is important to attend the symposium. Which are the benefits of attending the symposium?
Well, there are many ways I can tell that the symposium is important and why it's important to participate. One thing is that it's in Europe. It's the first time in Europe, and it's in Italy, and Italy is beautiful, you know, but it's in Europe. So people all around Europe have the first chance to see and talk, even presence, with people that are big names for single session therapy. I don't know when will be the next appointment in Europe. I think that at least 10 to 15 years will pass before another occasion like that will be present in this country, in this continent, actually. It's also important to attend because we have, as I say, very important names, and I hope that also in the next symposiums we will have all these people, but we know for sure that in these symposiums we have all these people, and I don't want to miss this opportunity to listen to them, to talk with them. We also will have a dinner all together and an aperitif all together, which are best occasion to create bonds, to meet people, to ask questions, to maybe create some bonds that can last for a whole life, can help your career, help your professional growth. It's also, as I said, symposium that is done, that is think in a way to give you something that you can bring with you in your practice. It's not a workshop, of course, but it's still something that you can use in your practice. You can have idea to how to maximize your work. You can have ideas about how to implement what you learn in your work, how to propose to your company or to public health field different ways to do therapy. So I think it's a very important moment, and I have to add that you can participate both in present, which is amazing because in that case you will have the occasion to doing questions, and online. You can't make questions if you are online, but you can listen to all the guests, which is great anyway. And most of the presenters, most of the guests are English speakers, but also for the Italian speakers, you will have the translation, the simultaneous translation. So you don't lose any part of the symposium. So I think the benefits are very relevant, and it's an occasion you want to lose.